I don't know where she's at. And as a mom, it's hard because she's my baby, and I feel like it was my job to protect her.
The afternoon of June 29th, 2011, the last time anyone saw 4-month-old Catherine Phillips. Her disappearance launching a massive search in Ludington and Mason County.
She was in fine condition when last she was seen by her mother. We expect that that's still the case.
But the Amber Alert didn't go out until hours after Kate disappeared. Police blamed computer error. As hours turned to days, Kate's family, including mother Ariel Cortland, clung to hope she might be found alive.
I don't see how she could be okay, but I don't want to think like that.
Police did arrest the man who would become the prime suspect in all of this, Kate's father and Ariel's boyfriend, Sean Phillips. He was arrested within hours and charged with kidnapping, but he was little help to investigators.
It's not like it's January, it's not 20 below zero. The weather's a little bit temperate right now, so hopefully we can find her safely if she's been left abandoned out in the woods or out in the wild.
Police theorize that Sean took off with Kate after arguing with Ariel about custody issues. But what happened between then and his arrest remains a mystery. In April of 2012, Phillips stood trial for his daughter's disappearance, a trial filled with plenty of drama.
I don't remember what I told him.
Now, if Officer Skiba's report does not reflect that.
I don't remember what he said. It was a year ago.
Who were you concerned about?
About Kate and about Sean. What was going through his head?
Phillips was found guilty of unlawful imprisonment. He's serving 10 to 15 years in prison. In September 2012, Ariel filed paperwork to marry Sean in prison, but the vows were never said. Shortly after, 9 and 10 News obtained a letter allegedly written by Sean to Ariel from prison. The letter details how Kate died. It says Sean didn't realize Kate was still in her car seat in his car when he was driving away from Ariel's apartment that day. It reads, quote, "I pulled, but it was jammed between the seats. That just made it worse. I grabbed it at the top and ripped it out as hard as I could. She was thrown from it. I didn't know. I'm so sorry. Held her for a long time. Seemed like forever."
In the letter, he said, I never had a chance to make it right. He had plenty of chances to make it right. He could have said something at any time. He could have told us the truth.
The letter goes on to say, quote, "I cried until I couldn't anymore. She was set in a peaceful place. I was walking and lost. Then I was driving. For the first time, I realized I had left her. I wanted to die." Investigators kept digging. Botanists even tried to narrow down an area to where baby Kate may be based on plant material found on Sean's clothes. In October of 2013, Attorney General Bill Schuette announced open murder charges against Phillips. Sean would plead not guilty.
The public deserves closure in this case. And like Attorney General Schuette said, it's important that no victims are ever forgotten. And that's certainly, I echo that sentiment as well.
Now, nearly 3 years later, we stand at the start of a murder trial, one that could bring justice for baby Kate and her family, but may leave the two biggest questions unanswered. Where is baby Kate, and what happened to her?
I think right now it's in God's hands, whether he wants her or whether I have her.